Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Sarah. Thanks for tuning in. I trust that you've been guided here in divine timing. Today's healing energy transmission is for grounding, and it's a request from Val Barnett. Thanks for chiming in, Val. I would love to hear from you if there's things that you need specific help with. I'll bring it through as best I can. Before we start, I want to acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine and that this is not a replacement for Western medicine. Take what resonates, and if it doesn't fit, move on, enjoy your day. So take a moment, just settle yourself in your seat or laying down, whatever you're doing. You can have your eyes open and your eyes closed, it doesn't matter. All you need to do to receive the healing energy is to nod or affirm yes. So go ahead and take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Just settle yourself into your body, do a little self-check, self-scan, how you're feeling in your body. How are you feeling inside this vessel today? And grounding, if you're feeling lost or spacey or a little discombobulated or disconnected or any kind of disassociation, if you've taken a hit of any kind, this is really good for you. Start with just anchoring and being aware of where your feet are making contact with the ground, or your buttocks or your back if you're laying down. Just feeling the gravity and the force of gravity of the weight of your body on the ground. That contact point. Where is your body contacting the earth? Whether it's a seat or the floor or the bed, the pillow. Just becoming aware of the contact point. With that awareness, we're going to now just bring in the prayer for this to be a virtual sacred space, so that you are safe and you are held and you are nourished and you are nurtured in this space as you receive this healing energy. And give thanks to the archangels and the Divine Mother and the Divine Father. Go ahead and take another beautiful breath with this awareness of the contact points. And using your beautiful imagination, imagine that you are dropping an anchor point from your perineum all the way into the earth, your root chakra, dropping an energetic thread into the earth, through the soil and the rocks and the crystals, down, 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 deeper still, into the earth, past the crust, to the mantle, deeper still, all the way into the core, very core of the earth. Just feel yourself rooting and anchoring in there. Little branches of energy anchoring into the core of the earth. And now bringing your focus and your awareness to the crown of the head and the energy extending above your crown, up into the sky above, higher still into the atmosphere, higher still, stratosphere. Bring your awareness and the expansion of your awareness out into outer space now. And you can anchor this awareness that keeps going all the way into the center of our galaxy, that pivotal point of the spiral. Right, so you've anchored now your energy into the center of our galaxy and to the core of the earth. Take another deep breath. We're going to feel the magnetic pull between the two, right? as your vessel, your human form, holds the energy between those 2 points. Now we're going to bring your focus to the heart. We're going to open that heart chakra, front and back, okay, not just the front, but the heart chakra at the back. Take another nice deep breath in here. Some of you may start to feel a gentle oscillation or a gentle spin as you're tuning into the rotation of the planet. And as your heart center becomes open and expansive and receptive, start to feel the beautiful connection from Mother Earth. She's holding you, she's anchoring you, she's with you. And the balancing point, the beautiful balancing point of Father Sky and the heavens above, anchoring you, bringing you into center, the temple of your heart, this place, your sense of self, your spirit, your North Star, who you are at your essence, right here, right now, present, breathing, alive, awake, aware, attentive. Take another deep breath. And now we're going to bring your attention and your awareness to all of the things that are weighing on you. Emotionally, mentally, physically, spiritually, all of the above. All of the things that are weighing on you energetically, all of the things that your heart is holding. Yeah, whether it's for yourself, whether it's for another, whether it's for the planet, whatever you're holding, whether it's for all the wars in the world, whatever it is that you're holding, whether it's the state of the world, whatever is being held there, I'm just going to allow it to drain back through that central thread, that cord, that channel of energy back into the core of the earth. Just allow it to drain out of your physical form back into the earth while you're being held in perfect balance. And drawing it down, just let it release. You're releasing all that you're holding, releasing what no longer serves you, and it's being given back to the earth, the great recycling, composting, beautiful offering from Mother Earth, the great recycler, right? She's taking it, she's absorbing it. You don't have to hold it anymore. You don't have to hold it in your physical body, in your tissues and cells. You don't have to hold it in your heart. You don't have to hold it in your thoughts. You can just let it go, just for this moment. And even if it's just for this moment, the relief that comes from letting it all go, right? So good. Whatever's weighing you down, let it go. Let it go, let it go. And you may want to watch this a few times if you feel like you've got more to let go, because maybe you're carrying more than just this lifetime letting go. Maybe you're actually releasing here for your ancestors as well, for many, many lifetimes across all space-time dimensions. Maybe you're releasing your karma as well. That's why you're here and you're doing this work, and just acknowledge yourself for taking this time to do this work, to heal, to release, to transmute, to transform, to alchemize the energy that you've been holding in your body. Take another deep breath. And now we're just going to allow the energy from the sky above, from the heavens above, to come in through your crown. You can feel this like a beautiful magnetic pulse from the sun, from the sky, from the celestial bodies, from the heavens above, just drawing it through your physical form into your heart, feeling it percolate and circulate and nourish the center of your being as that energy's drawing into your body, being distributed through the cardiovascular system, through all of your arteries, through all of your veins, through all of the capillaries, nourishing, nurturing, enriching, enlivening all of the tissues and cells, all of your organs, receiving this infusion of goodness from on high. And with that, the earth responds in kind and begins to nourish you from below, and she sends up pulse wave upon pulse wave upon pulse wave of beautiful, nourishing, divine, mother, feminine, rich, fertile, beautiful energy coming up from the earth to meet you in your heart, to balance the energy coming from above. Just take a deep breath into that expansiveness, into that meeting point in the center of your heart. This is grounding, right? This is grounding coming into the center of your being. Now I'm shown if there's like a vortex of energy from that point in your heart, just bringing it into balance. If it was tipping a little bit, if it was off center, just bringing that central force into balance. And you can slow with the speed of this vortex too. Just slowing it down. If it's spinning at 1,000,000 miles an hour, these are your thoughts, right? Just bringing it down, decelerating, decelerating, decelerating. So the energy is soft and gentle, fair weather, calm seas, gentle breeze. Keep breathing, keep breathing, keep breathing. Yeah. Rest in this place. Linger here a while. Just gonna hold some silence here while you're resting in this place. Because you're in your center, because you've nourished yourself in this way, take a moment to bring someone that you really love and care about. Could be a number of people. Just access all that beautiful energy that's been generated and cultivated and nourished in your heart. And we're going to send it out to your loved ones. And we're going to send it out to anybody who's watching this video so that you receive that as well. Feel it build. You can gather it like a beautiful sphere of energy, building from the heart, building all the love you can muster, all the love. What does it look like? What color is it? How does it present? All of your love from your heart, focusing on your loved one, your loved ones, and ready to release. So that they may receive the healing also. Yeah. So that everybody benefits from the the work you've just done. So thank you, loves. Thank you for grounding yourselves. May it ripple out to everybody that you meet on your day. May it ripple out to your family. May it ripple out to your home. We'll seal this energy and this healing now with a beautiful gong. So take a beautiful deep breath. Thank you to the archangels. Thank you to Mother Earth and Father Sky. Thank you to the spirits of this land, First Nations, Bunjalong Nation, the ancestors of this land. Thank you to the ancestors of the land wherever you find yourself. Honor the First Nations of wherever you are. Blessed be. Namaste. See you next time.